The umbrella strategy is something that I used without knowing it at the time to win 32 federal contracts worth over $15 million with the company that I was working for. Looking back 2 years ago, I was able to begin articulating what I had done as the umbrella strategy. And I've since started teaching my students a way to group their supplies and services in the federal space in a way that makes sense to showcase and communicate their new federal contracting businesses to the US federal government. So here's the umbrella strategy in a nutshell. First, you want to avoid offering only very niche and one-off services. I always give the example of notary services, not to pick on that. It is extremely unlikely, though, that you're going to build a viable long-term business in the GovCon space off of notary services alone, because it is a very limited single service only. And also the government is not buying a lot of it in general. For this reason, many who make this mistake get stuck making the dangerous assumption that the federal government works the same as the commercial market. It does not. Instead, I recommend you group a minimum of 2 to 3 broader service types that the government is definitely buying, like janitorial, staffing, grounds maintenance, IT, construction, and transportation, just to name a few, to guarantee that you will have enough work to bid on year-round, and you will have a viable business model because the government is definitely buying these services. And then you want to tie these together with an umbrella to form a unified company offering. Here's 3 umbrella examples. Base operations umbrella that offers seasonal mowing and snow removal, courier services, handyman services, and light construction. Professional services umbrella that offers staffing, IT, and engineering support. Logistics umbrella that offers event management, transportation services, and audio-video services. By employing an umbrella strategy, you are able to better communicate your offering to potential government customers in a way that actually makes sense to them and appeals to all the different services they are actually buying. You're also better to able communicate your needs with potential subcontractors if you're trying to build relationships and get quotes to start bidding on work that way. Lastly, the umbrella strategy will help you focus on which bids you're wanting to actually invest time into and why, because now the decision becomes part of your bigger and overall GovCon strategy. Hit the like button if this video taught you something, subscribe for more GovCon trainings, and thanks for watching.